Hello beautiful people, today's video about my RAV4, 3 months, 3,000 kilometers, right behind me, and I'll be talking about it while I'll be driving back home. Well, I will turn the air on because it was off this morning. Welcome Igor Pasternak, your settings are loading, manage, okay. 20.5 degrees here. So heavy traffic, it says 40 minutes, but will be a lot longer. So I'm gonna take the perimeter and we'll talk about some other things here with the car. Let's go. With my company here, I'm going to St. Vital because it's kind of annoying sitting for a long time at each traffic light. Sometimes it takes 2-3 traffic lights to change before you go. And here I can demonstrate what's happening, where we're going, and how it drives. I will try to demonstrate some other things. I will let it drive itself, if I could, on the highway, and see if it's gonna stay for a while. Because in the city I had some experiences. Out of blue, it just turns off and says see owner's manual. So I'm surprised why. I didn't hit any bumps, nothing was extreme, just out of blue my self-driving thing or whatever helps keep a distance and keep in lane disappears, and the message says look at your owner's manual. I have no idea why. Another thing, guys, I want to tell you about the oil. I checked my oil looks fine, very clean, very beautiful. But I just wondering, but I smell the dipstick, and you know dipstick smells a little bit like gasoline. So I guess I have some dilution, something coming from, not much, but it smells like gas. Anybody knows why? I was wondering, I didn't ask anybody yet. I didn't ask the dealership yet, but I will raise the question. I know some people say that those small engines, they have some fuel dilution. So even my friend with Honda, he was afraid that his oil smelled like fuel a lot, and he traded in. He bought a bigger engine, 6-cylinder. Here we are approaching 190. Brand new traffic light here. And I'm not sure, sometimes beeping like something I have at my left side. I turn left, there is nothing on the left side about the sensor, and it does all the time. Also, when I make a left turn, I get, maybe we'll see now, I don't know if it's gonna happen now or not, it will show me that incident reported or something. I don't know why. Every time I make a left turn, even there is no upcoming traffic, it's a little bit annoying. And if I itch my nose, because I connected my cameras there, and it doesn't wanna, it says obstruction, face obstruction. See, it didn't do anything now. Let's go 90 and see what happens. Okay, we got 95. I'm not sure if you can see from that where I put my phone there, if you can see that here and the display and my projection I'm driving it now at 94. I set up my cruise control 94, and it's hands-free. I can take it off. See? Will ask me in a few minutes, but I'll put it before this. If I won't keep it more than a minute over my steering wheel, they say take over the steering wheel. But so far it drives nicely, no problem. What else I want to tell you? My fuel average was 5.2 liters for 3,000 kilometers, which is not super bad, I would say. Driving in the city, about, I would say 20% I have highway driving, but the rest was city driving. Look, now we have the light. I'm not gonna push on my brakes. We'll see what happened here. I'll wait on the car. Car slows down. And again, I had before few bars going here with my speedometer. It was showing me if I'm generating and I'm using some batteries. Now it disappeared. I don't know why. I didn't change anything, but it disappeared now. I don't see those lines going up and down, and I accelerate, they go like a big lines up, down. And look, I don't have those lines, and I didn't change anything. I have no idea. Look, only I have this speed up, but no lines. If anybody knows why, please let me know. There is a vehicle. I guess not sure what's there, but see, so far so good. I can't complain about driving. I can see on my display also passing vehicles and the vehicle ahead of me here. So guys, in general, I'm happy with the car, about the cameras and everything else. And about my fuel average, I'm super happy, even though I wasn't in traffic again too much. Well, I'm not sure, it's difficult to show here, but it looks a little bit over the level for the oil. And smells a little like fuel when I just pull out the dipstick. I was thinking about washing once, but it was raining outside anyways and stuff. Maybe I have to wash it because it was too much dust and stuff under the ground parking. Still a lot of dust. And we had too many rains, so I'm not sure. I will call service and ask them, and I'll update you guys what's going on with this stuff. Well, thanks for joining. Maybe I forgot something, but everything's fine, you know, like, I mean, excellent fuel average and stuff, but I just say, I'm just kind of a little bit concerned about fuel dilution. And you open the hot engine, pull out dipstick, smells like fuel. That's it. I will call service and ask them. All the best, guys. Take care. See you later. Next video. 4,000 clicks, RAV4 Hybrid 2026.